Hi, welcome. My name is Marti Harris and I'm a chiropractor here at the Chiropractic Health Centre, and today I'm going to go through a standard adjustment here at the centre for one of our clients. Now this generally takes between 10 to 15 minutes, but I'm going to show you an abbreviated version today. We use many gentle techniques. That's why we are the gentle chiropractic experts here in the Southern Highlands, and I'll explain what we're doing for those people that are new to chiropractic. So, I'm going to get the lady to hold her arm in this position and hold there for me, nice and strong, hold, good. And we challenge the pelvis as she's holding, see if there's any weakness there. What we're checking is the pelvic stability. We also check leg length, because often people have one leg shorter than the other, which causes their pelvis to rotate. We have found that there's a little bit of a shortness, only a few millimetres, on the left leg. So we apply downward pressure into the hip gently to help release this particular muscle, being the psoas muscle. It's a hip flexor. It's responsible for flexing at the hip. So sitting for any period of time, cross-legged, or in a job where there's a lot of sitting, can tighten that structure. Now feeling along the neck, for any obstructions we call subluxations, which are restrictions to the movement of the body. We use this instrument, it's called an activator, and it provides a gentle thrust to help mobilize and move the joints to allow the pressure on the joints to be minimized and to increase range of motion in the body and increase a sense of well-being. That's in essence what chiropractic is all about. So feeling the neck on the left-hand side, we change the tension so that it is very comfortable. Get the lady to breathe in and breathe out. Very good, Colleen. We also check for tension in the neck, see if there's any soreness across the chest. This can come from a problem we call pseudohiatal hernia. This again comes from lifting things and being in poor posture. Breathe in and breathe out, and in and out. Good. And releasing that there. We can challenge to see if that's been effective by holding, and that's nice and strong. I'm going to get you to turn over, please. We use these blocks in order to do the adjustments as well. We place it underneath the shorter leg, which was the left leg, and that helps reposition the pelvis so that the tension in the pelvis can be minimized and the spine can adopt a natural, less stressed posture. Check the leg length, moving the legs back up to see if there's any difference. And there's no difference now. That's been corrected. You're feeling along the spine, finding areas of where those subluxations are. And we've got one just below the bra strap area. Take a deep breath in and breathing out. And just a little thrust. So chiropractic can be done in a number of ways. At the centre, we're known for our gentle techniques. That's why we see people from all ages, from just a few weeks old right through until you're 90. You're never too young or old to start chiropractic, because chiropractic is a way of optimizing function in the body to give you greater health, stronger immune system, more energy, sleeping better, and helping all the functions in all the cells of the body to be at an optimal level. Chiropractors are trained in the detection of these problems, and we're the experts at keeping you healthy and well. Our centre is known for its family care. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. And in
And why do you do that?
And what that does is this detects tension in the pelvis and normalises the pelvis to where it should be. I'll get you to cough for me. And breathe in and breathe out. And we're checking now the sacrum, which is what you sit on. Next time you join us, we'll be adjusting a young child. I look forward to taking you through that process as well. I'd like you to turn over for me, please. And I'm going to check now the movement of the neck. Just going to raise the neck up, down, and that should be nice and smooth. We can even introduce a small amount of rocking, and this generally feels very relaxing. Good. Can I get you to sit up, Colleen? How does that feel?
Great, thank you.
Great. We'll see you on your next adjustment.
Looking forward to it.
Thank you.